Etsy is a great platform to sell digital products. The problem that many Etsy sellers face when starting their digital shop is not doing product research the correct way. So they end up adding products that they enjoy making, but they're not high in demand. So in this video, I'm going to share the best digital products to sell on Etsy, as well as show you how to do product research to find products that are in demand. So therefore, you could start your Etsy business off on the right foot with products that will actually make you passive income. Let's get started. All right, so here we are on eRank Pro, and I'm going to show you 4 of the best digital product ideas that you could start today and start making passive income on. And I'm also going to show you how to do product research using eRank. So right now, the first idea I have for you is resume templates. And I've talked about them before in my previous videos. And as you can see, when we do a search on eRank, you go to tools, and if you go to keyword tool and you type in resume templates, it's going to show that it has an average search volume of 1,366 monthly searches, and it has a competition of 26,422. So it's not the worst keyword. However, the competition is slightly high. So what we're going to do is further go down and see what ideas or keywords eRank is going to recommend to us. And a lot of times you will come down here, and if you see all of this red, it means that that particular niche market is probably very saturated, right? There's not any underserved niche market that you could probably create products for. However, this one is the opposite. As you can see, it has a lot of green. For instance, professional resume has 775 monthly searches and only 16,000 in competition. Modern resume has 688 monthly searches and only 14,000 in competition. Obviously, the higher here, the better it is for you. Resume template Word, this one is pretty good. 4,600 monthly searches with a competition of 16,000 only. And if we come down here, we find some really good ones. So resume Google Docs, 3,600 monthly searches with a competition of only 4,300. So this is a really good one. It would be super easy for you to break through the competition, possibly rank on page 1 of Etsy. Nurse resume is another good one, 1,200 monthly searches with only 2,805 in competition. So this is how you're able to find a niche market and create a robust line of different products for that particular niche market. So this is a really great one. Another one would be, let me go ahead and open this one, is Canva Templates. So if you ever thought about, I want to create Canva templates, I just don't really know what type of products to create the templates for. So what you would do is just, again, do product research. So when I did search for Canva templates, they came up as 3,700 monthly searches. And the competition is pretty steep. It's 177,000. So it's a lot of competition for the term Canva templates. However, I'm not going to give up there yet. I'm going to go down and see if I could find any additional underserved markets on Canva templates. So as you can see, for this one, there's a lot of red, as you can see here. But there's also some good ones here as well. So for instance, Airbnb template has 1,533 monthly searches with only a competition of 5,800. Now keep in mind, Airbnb might be copyrighted, so you have to make sure that you do extensive search when you feel like maybe a keyword might be copyrighted, because you're not allowed to use it. Just keep going down and see what else can you see. So Invoice Template is another good one. It has 3,900 monthly searches, and the competition is only 7,893. So that's a really good one as well. Certificate Template is not as bad. 435 monthly searches, only 14,000 in competition. And then if we keep going down, we actually find additional ones here. Email Template, 1,755 with only 12,000 in competition. Newsletter Template, 1,123 monthly searches with only 4,104. So as you can see, if I wanted to create templates, I could actually create a robust line, a store of different types of templates, and I would create one for email template or various products for email templates. I would create a couple of newsletter templates, a couple of media kit templates, and then I will find those that don't have too much competition and that have a high search volume like this one here. And I will create those particular templates and add them to my store. The third idea for digital products is wedding invitations. And I personally sell wedding invitations, and it's a really good niche market to go into. As you can see, when I do a search for wedding invitation, it comes up to 22,000 monthly searches, and the competition is pretty high, over 400,000, right? So this wouldn't be a particular keyword that I would use. However, when we come down and we get these additional keywords, this is what is on demand right now. This is what people are searching for, and that's what you want to create. And these are pretty easy for you to break through the competition. So fall wedding invitations get 1,359 monthly searches, and it only has 16,000 in competition. And then we have Dusty Blue wedding invitation that gets 921 monthly searches with only 5,000 in competition. Then we have 50th wedding anniversary invitations that gets about 894 monthly searches with 1,521 in competition. So as you can see, if I was creating a store today for wedding invitations, I would create wedding invitations with this keyword. I would create another set of wedding invitation for 50th wedding anniversary invitations. I would create Gothic wedding invitations. Always be careful with copyrighted terms. Do not use them in your store. And then I would just kind of keep going down and finding additional ideas of different products that I could add to my store. And this is how you get traction. This is how you create products that are high in demand, that people are searching for, and you start making money. Now, the last idea that I have for you today is digital planners. Obviously, they're very popular on Etsy. As you can see, they get about 79,000 monthly searches. And the competition for this particular keyword is 292,000 listings. So if I was creating a listing today, I wouldn't use the word digital planner. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to come down here and we're going to see opportunities, right? Areas that are underserved that we could create products for. So when I come down here, Digital Planner 2022 is not a bad one. 6,000 monthly searches, 26,000 in competition. Obviously, the higher the search volume and the less competition is better. So this one would be a really good one here. Digital Fitness Planner, 1,718 average searches with only 8,000 in competition. Budget Planner Digital, 1,185 monthly searches with only 15,000 in competition. Another good one is Digital Student Planner, 1,149 with only 11,000 competition. This is another really good one here. This one you can actually probably rank on page 1 because the competition is so low. But this one is Adhd Digital Planner. It gets about 975 monthly searches, and the competition is fairly low, 2,679. So this is how you will start a digital planner business, and then you will add all these different types of planners in your store. So you're still niche down, but you're creating different planners that are trending or that people are searching for, versus creating products that you think you like or that you think people will like and no one is buying them. With a little effort, you can be successful selling digital products on Etsy in no time. Thanks for watching.